Namaste everyone. Greetings from Apollo Hospitals, Greaves Road, Chennai. I hope you are safe and staying healthy in the quarantine or lockdown period. The problem when it comes to lockdown and health is more than 30-40% of the public who has some issues of diabetes, hypertension, obesity, arthritis and other issues are finding it difficult to access doctors during these times. Apollo has come out with an amazing option of what we call as the Apollo 247, a telemedicine consultation platform where we just download the app, go and get your doctors and the timings, and you can fix your own timing. During that period, you can have your telecommunication and consultation about everything. Apollo being the pioneer of telemedicine for the last 2 decades, we have developed an amazing app which can really help you to understand and get the consultation and treatment protocols as good as consulting them in their consulting chamber. We will give you every insight into the your clinical scenarios, your symptoms, how to address them, and it's available to you 24/7. So you can come for initial consultation if you are a pre-bariatric patient, which is my specialty, where need to address what are the issues that needs to be addressed, what are the protocols that need to be followed for you to not put on weight, or if you have disease process because of obesity, sleep apnea, diabetes, hypertension along with obesity, how to tackle them during this period, what are the investigations to be done, all those things can be managed. If you are a post-operative patient, for emergencies, something like you have acidity, which is common post-bariatric reflex, if you have some kind of a giddiness, some nutrition deficiencies causing dryness of skin, weakness and all those things, do not bother. Contact us from your home through Apollo 24/7. We will address that. We have a nutritionist, we have me, a surgeon, we have a counselor. We all will address your needs immediately so that you don't miss out on a regular follow-up and treatment in bariatric patients. As you know, support group and bariatric follow-up are the most important things in any patient who undergoes bariatric surgery, and we are there to cover you up any number of times, any time during the part of the day. And thanks to Apollo for its amazing 24/7 teleconsultation app, it makes it more easier for you. Looking forward to hear from you, to see you and have a video chat with you. Otherwise, stay home, stay safe. Bye.